This YouTube channel got over 80,000 subscribers with just 7 videos, and these videos are extremely viral. One of the most important reasons for the success of these videos are the thumbnails, and today we are going to make this type of thumbnail in 2 minutes. Firstly, open Wish AI and copy the prompt given in the description and then paste the prompt. So you change the name here according to your choice, and you can also change the dress of your character here and now. After that, click Generate, and the AI will generate you the images. Now we will complete the thumbnail with Canva. First, upload the image we generated using Wish and adjust it to the screen, and then go to Elements and search for Arrow, and there are plenty of options to choose from here. I have already found one for me, so I am going to use that. And now let's adjust it to the frame. And once it's done, it's time to add the text and type your text and change the font and size as you like. And now the thumbnail